So this pattern calls for a multiple of 10 plus 3. So that means you will chain 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 until you reach the desired width, and then will add 3 chains. So you're going to start by this first chain right here. You're going to do a single crochet. I recommend doing these chains a little bit loose. That way you can easily insert the hook, especially if you're going to do it on the back. So, okay, so yeah, the single crochet, and then you're going to single crochet all the way across, and that will be your foundation row. This is a 2-row repeat pattern, and it's really easy. So once you've, now I'm hoping, because I did the 10, 10, 10, but I'm hoping I got them right. Sometimes I have an extra one for some reason, an extra chain. But anyway, if you have extra chains, it's easier to undo them and adjust it than to need chains. So I would keep this in mind, especially if you're going to do a blanket. If you chain and then once you reach the end of the blanket, because it's going to be a pretty good size blanket, and you are missing chains, that would be bad, because you have to start over. Or if you're going to see if you're going to miss chains or you're going to need more chains, then I would recommend leaving extra. I recommend, let's say you're supposed to have 4 chains and you only have 2, then I would just go back and leave the extra chains. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And then you can undo them and adjust them. Anyway, that's my recommendation, especially if you're doing a blanket. Okay, so row 2, you're going to chain up 3. And then you're going to do 2 double crochets. Do not do it in this chain. You're going to do it in the second one. If you do it in that one, it's going to start to fan out. You're going to have an extra. It's going to start to do this. So just make sure not to do it on that first chain. First chain. So 2 double crochets in the next 2 chains, or single crochets. Then you're going to, skip 2. So 1, 2. And then in the third, you're going to do 5 double crochets in that same stitch. I do apologize in advance if you hear any doggy noises. I have dogs and they make noises. One of them likes to snore, and he's actually snoring. Okay, so you're going to do 5. You're going to chain 2, and then you're going to skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th, you're going to do a double crochet. And then do 2 more double crochets in the next 2 single crochets. Like this. Then you're going to skip 2 and then do your 5 double crochets. Let's see. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in the 5th, you're going to do a double crochet. Goodness. And then you're going to do another double crochet in the next, and do another double crochet in the next. So that's 3. Okay, so then you're going to skip 2, right? And then in the third, you're going to do your 5 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 2, and you're going to skip 4. So hopefully, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you have 1 and 6. So in the last 3, you're going to do your double crochets. Oh goodness. Oh, somebody's outside walking their dogs. My dogs get rattled up. Okay, and then in the very last, just more or less find chain there and do your 3. Okay, so I did have the correct chains. Okay. So now for row 3, you're going to chain up the 3, then do your 2 double crochets on top of these 2 double crochets. Okay, then you're going to do 5 double crochets in this first double crochet right here. Let's see. You're going to chain 2, and then you're going to jump to these 3, and you're going to do 3 double crochets on top of those. Oh, what did I do? Oh. Chain 2, and then do your 3 double crochets on top of the 3 double crochets. Okay, then again, you're just going to go to this first double crochet here, and you're going to do your 5 double crochets. And that's your row number 3. Pretty easy. Well, I've read, I don't know if it's true, but I've read that knitting and crocheting is a very good therapy, I guess, because I think it's because even though you are working with a very easy stitch or pattern, you still need to think about what you're doing. You know, you still need to concentrate, but not to the point where you're just completely focused. You can actually watch a movie or a show, which is what I do. I love to crochet, and on the weekends that's what I do. Watch my shows, movies, and it does keep your mind off things. Because you're concentrated on your stitch, and you're listening to your show, or you're watching your show, or listening to your movie. So you're really like in this other world. That's the way I see it. That's what I feel. So you do forget. You do escape a little bit from the real world. And that's why I think it's such a, they say it's a very good, it's a very good thing it's a nice, how do I say it? Knitting and crocheting is a nice hobby because it actually relaxes you. And I do that's my opinion. I do. So it does help a lot. And I've noticed a lot of people starting to take up crocheting or knitting because it's something, it's relaxing. So anyway, that's just my opinion, but I have read that it's very good. It's a very good, it's like therapy, therapeutic actually. Okay. So then you do, repeat, you do your 3 double crochet, you chain 2, your 3 double crochets, and then the first right double crochet right here, you do your 5, and you know, do that all the way across. Okay, what did I do? Oh, okay. Okay, do your last double crochets. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so then you're going to go to repeat row number 2. So you just chain up 3. You do your 2 double crochets on top of the other 2 double crochets. And then you're just going to repeat. You're going to do 5 double crochets in this first double crochet here. There you go, chain 2, and then just do that. I guess row 2 and 3 are the same. I mean, it's the same, just that, you know, you're gonna have this little, you know, go like this pattern like this. But that's it. That's your 2-row repeat. Like I said, it's really simple. It's nice. It'd be nice for a wrap, shawl, a blankie, maybe a baby blanket because of the pattern. I think it'll look nice. And that's it. So again, you just do your 5 double crochets here, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 5 double crochets in this first one, chain 2, and then that's it. And that is the pattern. So like I said, it's really easy, but please email me if you have any questions. I hope you learned something good today, and thank you for watching.